Okay, that's good. Okay, so in the next hearing, let's invite the chairman na yung mga responsible kasi marami tayong mga responsible vloggers no? So we have given the chance do sa mga vloggers that we have invited, but they missed the opportunity to be a part of the discussion. But in the next hearing, will be we will give them another chance. But the problem is, we issue a Siocas order to those who have written us an excuse letter, which are unacceptable. Because nakita natin yung mga reasons nila. Pero yung nasa abroad, na nasa Singapore, acceptable yan. Because may reason. Pero others, ay hindi po. So siguro, we need to have a motion.
We have invited 41 social media personalities today. However, out of 41, only 3 appeared, and 1 is in Singapore. And the other 37 media personalities, social media personalities, instead went to the Supreme Court. So in this view, I believe that their testimony here is very important because they're the one involved in this fake news. So, Mr. Chair, on this note, I move that this committee issue a show cause order to the 37 social media personalities to appear in the next hearing.
So there's a motion to issue a show cause order to those resource persons who have not given any excuse letter, no? And then there was a second motion. Any objection to the said motion? Hearing no objection, the said motion is now approved. Let's invite also, kasi meron po mga sumulat sa atin, yung mga victims, mga biktima ng mga fake news, no? Those purveyor of misinformation, malinformation, and disinformation. We will be sending them invitation as well. May mga celebrities and businessmen who wanted to be invited as well. So on that note, siguro wala na po tayong iba pa itatakal, other matters.
I move to